Tired of boring photo backgrounds that just don't pop? Imagine turning any plain image into a stunning scene, like a luxury penthouse, a dreamy beach, or even a neon city, using just a few words. With Canva's brand new AI background generator, you don't need Photoshop skills or hours of editing. Just type what you want and boom, the background transforms like magic. Let's break it down in the next few seconds so you can start using it right away, even if you have never edited a photo before. Now, what we currently have here is just a random photo that I have from Elements. So a lot of people, as you can see, are using this for their thumbnails, for their YouTube posts. Now, usually what we do is we have the photo, we click the background remover, and we add some elements and layers of backgrounds. If we want New York City lights, we're gonna put the New York, then some lights and everything. So let's go back. So Canva has a new feature right here. You click the photo and we click the edit one, and we have background generator. So we will describe a new background right here, whatever you like. So let's try first the Inspire Me. Minimalist background made of draped natural linen in earth tones with soft and moody light. Let's try to generate this one. And as you can see, we have 4 choices. We can choose that whatever you like, whatever prompt that you want, just choose between these 4. And here we have, wow, it's like a natural cloth right here. Now, let's maybe personalize our prompt. Now, let's go back again, background generator. And then we'll put on luxury rooftop in New York City. Luxury rooftop in New York City at sunset. Okay, let's generate again. Okay, it's taking a little longer. Now, the next we're gonna do is the snowy mountain cabin with warm lighting at dusk. Wow, it's pretty long, so let's copy. And there we have it. I like this one and this one too. You can always customize the colors, whatever you like. If you want to change the sunset into sunrise, or you want it to be rainy day, you can do that as well. Now, last we have another one right here. I got this snowy mountain cabin with a warm light at dusk. Now, this will be my last sample for today, so you can create your own and you can explore everything with Canva. Okay, we have 4 loading right here, and here we have a snowy mountain with a little bit of sun, a warm lighting behind. That's how fast you can upgrade your visuals. No Photoshop, no fuss, just type it, generate it, and post it. Want more Canva tricks like this? Hit like, follow for more daily tips, and turn scroll stoppers into your scroll strategy.